Today's video is going to be a recipe of very famous snack from Gujarat, that is Dhokla or Khaman Dhokla, that is now popular all over the world. It is a steamed cake made from besan or gram flour. With this recipe you are going to get an extremely spongy and melt in mouth dhokla. So let's start with the ingredients. The ingredients are 2 cup besan, 1 full cup water, 4 tablespoons suji or semolina and 2 tablespoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 lemon. Please note the bigger one is the tablespoon I have used and the small one is the teaspoon. So now mix all these ingredients in a bowl. And these ingredients are very basic that can be found in your kitchen at most of the times. As this dhokla is made fresh from wholesome ingredients and free of any preservative, so it is a healthier snack. So now as you have added all your ingredients in a bowl including salt and lemon juice, you need to whisk very well the mixture. You need to whisk well till you get a smooth batter. Make sure that there are no lumps formed, and yes, you can add little more water if you want to make the batter of running consistency, as you can see very clearly from the video. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon Eno in the mixture. This is the instant dhokla recipe with Eno, which is why you don't have to wait for several hours for the batter to ferment. So after adding Eno, the batter will get more fluffy. So you need to whisk it very gently and immediately you need to transfer to the microwave safe bowl. But before transferring, you need to grease that bowl with the oil very well so that the dhokla doesn't stick at the bottom. As it is done, I'll immediately transfer my batter to the bowl with the help of a spatula. And yes, you need to tap it 2 to 3 times to remove any air bubble. Now put it in the microwave and set the time for 5 minutes. For the tempering, I'll need 1 teaspoon mustard seeds or rye, few curry leaves, 3 to 4 green chilies cut from the center and 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. Now take a pan, add 2 teaspoon olive oil to it. Cook till it make the crackle sounds and then add your curry leaves and green chilies to your mixture, and you need to cook this for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So fry this mixture till it becomes golden and crunchy. Now in another pan add half cup water and 2 teaspoons sugar to make sweet water. Give a boil and turn off the gas. As the dhokla is ready, take it out from the microwave and allow it to cool for some time, and then you can cut it into any shape you want. After that, put sweet water to your dhokla sponge. Adding this water is your choice, you can add more or less. Now I'll add the hot tareeka I have prepared for the dhokla. Add all of it and spread it very well nicely with the spoon. So my instant 5-minute dhokla is ready.